Are you tired of waking up every day having to do what you hate, which leaving you with little to no free time for yourself? Unfortunately, 99% folks are in the same boat. However, there is a small percentage of people who are able to lead their life on their own terms. They do what they love, manage their time as they want, and making a living online. We are currently living in a golden era of human history where the internet enables us to generate income from the comfort of our homes. Consider the inspiring story of 20-year-old multimillionaires who are living their dream lives, traveling the world while earning substantial income online. If they can achieve this, why can't you? I'm not sharing this to brag, but rather to share my own fortunate journey of making money online. Along the way, I've learned valuable insights that can significantly benefit you, regardless of where you currently stand. Most importantly, now I have the privilege to decide how I want to spend my time, a luxury that many people around the world do not have. I want the same for you. I can guarantee you this, that there will be countless individuals in your life who will discourage you, claiming that such a lifestyle is impossible. They may advise you to be realistic. However, I want you to hear this from someone who's already living this reality. Not only it's possible, but you can achieve it too. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and take the plunge, the initial significant milestone, in my view, is hitting that $10,000 per month. This is the point where you gain the ability to effortlessly cover your base expenses in nearly any corner of the world, opening the door to live a truly remarkable life. What's more, you can even start stashing away some funds for your retirement. In this video, I will walk through 3 of the most effective ways to reach that $10,000 per month milestone online. Plus, I'll spill the beans on how you can kickstart these methods right away. So buckle up and let's dive into the first method of making money online, which is creating what is called a symbiotic system. Now you must be thinking, what the hell did he just say? So let's break down the concept of a symbiotic system. Essentially, a symbiotic system is about creating and maintaining multiple streams of income that manually support each other. In simpler terms, when one income source grows, it has a positive impact on all the others within the system. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds intriguing, but what does it actually mean? Let me give you a practical example. Let's say you have a YouTube channel about artificial intelligence, since that seems to be a really trending topic nowadays. On your channel, you talk about the top 10 best AI tools on different subjects that are out there. Once you reach 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, you can monetize your YouTube channel. That means every single time someone watches one of your videos, you will make money from the ad that YouTube puts on your video. That's awesome. I'm sure you're very happy to make money from that channel from ads. But most of the people, that's where the money stops. To make this a true symbiotic system, let's say for an example that you become an affiliate for some of the AI software that you're talking about within your videos. Then let's say you put those affiliate links in the description of all your videos. Then you have a true symbiotic system. Because think about it. When your YouTube channel grows, you get more affiliate sales. And one stream of income feeds the other. Let's say you make $3,000 a month from ads from your YouTube channel. And let's say you make another $7,000 from affiliate marketing, because that's how it usually goes. You make more money from the things you're promoting rather than just ad revenue. Then boom, you just made $11,000 per month now. One of the prime examples of this method is IMAN GADZHI. If you look closely, you can see Iman's YouTube channel is giving him tons of views and subscribers. And on his channel, he promotes his course and also promoting some affiliate products. And his YouTube channel, which then also sells the course, which also collects emails, to which he can send new videos to that email list every time he uploads a new YouTube video. And all of these streams feed each other. And that brings me to my next method. In my opinion, the most effective method to earn $10,000 per month is to become a YouTuber. I believe being a YouTuber is a smart choice because it provides high leverage. This means that you invest your effort in creating video for your YouTube channel just once, and once you upload that video, it stays on YouTube forever. This allows people to watch your video for years to come, enabling you to accumulate more views and an increasing amount of money over time. And just a practical example of this is Iman himself. Iman still makes money from the videos that he posted when he was just young. Think about this like being a farmer. You plant the seed once and those seeds can continue to provide for you and harvest over and over again. You can't say that for many other side hustles out there, where you have to constantly be doing more and more work. With YouTube, you just post a ton of videos at once, and then you can keep growing it exponentially by uploading more and more videos. You can also use your YouTube channel to promote different products and affiliate links, which will make you more money. You see, it's very easy to build a true symbiotic system. And for that third method of making that sweet $10,000 per month, I've picked introvert's YouTube dream. Now, a introvert's YouTube dream is basically, if you're an introvert, you probably don't want to step in front of the camera and record videos. That's totally fine. You can still make a lot of money with YouTube. In fact, many of these top YouTube channels never even show their face. You can think of them as a company or a brand. For example, some of these channels are making tons of money every month from a completely faceless YouTube channel. And the real beauty here, guys, you can run as many channels as you want. You can scale these up as much as you want. And the best of all, you can hire other people from freelancing website to help you make these videos. Now, if you want to know how to make faceless YouTube videos, let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a full guide video on that. And that wraps up the video, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video, but the most important thing that you can do to make money online is just to start, because you don't have to be good to start, you just have to start to be good.